The UAV have been widely used in recent wars, and the most common attack method is to use drones to temporarily mount grenades and drop them over the enemy's head. It is well known that the fuse of the grenade will be delayed by 3 seconds after it is disarmed. According to the calculation form, the optimal drop height is between 45 to 50 meters. A low drop height can cause the grenade to collide violently with the ground before it detonates and fail. Excessive drop height can prevent grenades from killing targets. However, in areas below 50 meters in height, the noise of the UAV can expose their position and tactical intentions. Of course, it is easy to be shot down. Many soldiers take the risk of modifying their own fuses, but this is reckless and dangerous. So we only made a clever electronic and mechanical device that can be directly installed on multiple models of grenades for time setting. It is in a safe state before throwing, and the safety is only released at the moment of airdrop. After reaching the set time during the falling process, the safety bolt of the grenade is automatically released to complete the detonation. The maximum delay time can be set between 0 to 1 hour, and we usually set it to a maximum of 5 seconds. In this way, our maximum effective bombing altitude is 320 meters. Of course, most of us set it at 2 seconds, so we can drop bombs at an altitude of about 130 meters. This not only hides the noise of the UAV, but also makes it easier to target. This device can certainly be used as a time detonator. Various game modes require the audience to develop.